I think I messed up. I had no idea how far drone tech had come until now. Trust me, it's wild. Drones aren't just for delivering packages anymore. In Ukraine and Israel, they're game changers on the battlefield. Imagine a swarm of autonomous drones flying in perfect formation, scouting enemy positions, and even launching attacks, all without a human pilot. Sounds like science fiction, right? These drones use AI to make split-second decisions. They can identify targets, avoid obstacles, and adapt to changing conditions. In Ukraine, drones are used for surveillance, providing real-time intel to ground troops. Meanwhile, in Israel, drones are taking on more offensive roles, neutralizing threats with pinpoint accuracy. The days of traditional warfare are numbered. With drones, battles are fought from a distance, reducing risk to human soldiers and increasing operational efficiency. But it's not just about firepower. These drones can also deliver medical supplies and evacuate the wounded, proving their versatility in high-stakes situations. The future of warfare is here, and it's flying high. Who knew the sky could be so dangerous? Stay tuned for more on the tech that's revolutionizing the battlefield.